watching iLovei. My name is Nate.
I'm Sonny.
And today we're in Hollywood and we're checking out Street Churros.
So this place is known for what? Churros. Yeah, they got different flavors. We're about to check them out for you, so come join us.
So we're here in Hollywood and Highlands and we're checking out Street Churros. Our homie PK actually told us to check this out. We got two different churros. One of the things about the churros they got here, they're filled. This one is strawberry filled churro.
This one's Oreo and cream cheese. They got different styles, so you can get them with ice cream, you can get them without the filling. Yeah, they got different selections, and they also have beverages. Looks like you got like 3 to choose from. I think lemonade, coffee, and some other. You drink with churros.
It's just a place if you want to get a quick bite, you know, while you're trying to be a tourist here in Hollywood and Highland. It's freaking loud here.
Yeah, most of that noise is coming from the fountain. Yeah. So we're right next to this fountain right here. Famous fountain. If you've seen a lot of pictures and videos of it, so it's not a sit-down spot. It's one of these it's like a big kiosk. You just walk up to it, order the stuff you want, and they do have seating around here, but it's not. Like, you don't got a lot of seating. It's not even a sit down. You just walk around and they give you this carrying case. And
I had to blitz to the table. Like I cut off like some old guys just so we could sit down and eat.
Well, yeah, let's get it. Quick time.
Where's the filling?
In my mouth.
Oh, there it is.
Not bad.
It tastes like a strawberry shortcake ice cream. It's a little too sweet for me. It's good.
I don't know if it tastes like Oreos. Oreo flavors don't shine through. The filling's really good. It's like they crunched up Oreos really fine and like they dusted in it. It's whatever.
But the churro's nice and soft though.
Yeah, it's really flaky. It's good though. Try this.
It's like all the filling just started tearing it apart from the bottom.
It's really doughy. So you get the filling right here. It's almost like a cream-filled donut, like a strawberry-filled donut, but it's not bad.
This one's much better though. But I don't taste the Oreo. I taste the cream cheese.
You don't get the Oreo flavor. This one, you get mad strawberry out of this. But yeah, man, it's a little cool spot. If you want to snack on something, come out here. It's in the mall. All right, mall. It's Hollywood Mall, Kodak Mall, Kodak Theater, same area. Seating's not the best.
Parking's not. I mean, parking's easy. You can park in the structure, but you gotta pay.
Yeah. But I mean, if you guys want to check it out, we'll leave all the information in the description down below. Come check them out. Let us know what you think. Hit that comment box up. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you get more videos just like this one.
Share this with your family and friends.
You'll love it.
We'll catch you next video.
Peace.